Are you struggling to make your money work for you? Have you ever wondered why, despite earning a decent income, you still find yourself living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you there's a simple blueprint to transform your financial life in just a few steps? Today, we're diving deep into financial planning, something that could change your life forever. Let's get started. Define your short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. The first step in any solid financial plan is knowing where you want to go. Imagine you're planning a road trip without a destination in mind. You're just driving aimlessly. Similarly, without clear financial goals, your money will just slip through your fingers. Prioritize these goals based on urgency and importance. Now picture a juggler. Handling 3 balls is manageable, but what happens if you add 5 more? Financial goals are like those balls. Prioritize what's most important and urgent so you don't drop the ball on what truly matters. Take Priya, a young professional who wanted to buy a home, start a retirement fund, and travel the world all at once. By prioritizing, she first saved for a down payment, then contributed to her retirement fund, and finally started her travel savings. Now she's living her dreams without financial stress. Track your income and expenses. Think of your budget as the engine of a car, keeps everything running smoothly. Start by tracking every dollar that comes in and goes out. It might sound tedious, but this is where you take control. Allocate funds according to needs, wants, and savings. Divide your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Needs are your non-negotiables like rent and groceries, while wants are those impulse buys we all love. And savings? That's your ticket to financial freedom. Rajesh was drowning in debt until he took a hard look at his spending habit. He realized that a huge chunk of his income went to dining out and online shopping. By tweaking his budget and setting strict limits on wants, he managed to save over $240 in just 3 months. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Life is unpredictable. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. Could you survive financially for the next 6 months? That's where an emergency fund comes in. Start small, but aim for a cushion that can cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it separate from your regular savings. Your emergency fund should be like a fire extinguisher, only to be used in emergency. Keep it separate from your regular savings to avoid dipping into it for non-emergency. Mira, a single mother, once had to replace her car's transmission unexpectedly. $600 hit, but thanks to her emergency fund, she didn't need to rely on credit cards or loans. She handled the situation stress-free. Start small, but start early. Investing is like planting a tree. The earlier you plant, the bigger it grows. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, starting small can still yield substantial growth over time. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to minimize risk and maximize returns. Amit started investing in his early 20s with just $10 a month. Today, at 35, his portfolio has grown into a substantial sum, allowing him the freedom to consider early retirement or even starting his own business. Make adjustments based on life changes. Life changes, whether it's a new job, marriage, or a global pandemic, require you to revisit and adjust your financial plan. Don't be afraid to make changes as needed. Consult a financial advisor. When in doubt, seek expert advice. Financial advisor can help you navigate complex situations and ensure you're on the right track. Rohit and Sanya got married and soon realized their individual financial plans didn't align. By consulting a financial advisor, they created a joint plan that catered to both their needs, setting them up for a financially secure future. Financial planning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, it's never too late to take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful financial insights. And as always, leave a comment below if you have any questions or need advice. We're here to help you on your financial journey.